everyone, and welcome to the grand inauguration of the second Gainwell Highwall miner. I'm Akanksha Chaturvedi, Head of Corporate Strategy for Gainwell, and I have the privilege of being your host for today's event. Allow me to begin by thanking you for joining us in this first of its kind virtual celebration. Today, we have partners joining us from the United States, Australia, Singapore, China, South Africa, and India. A very warm welcome to you all. Even though these times are far from normal, we step into the new normal with our standard practice of a safety briefing. As this is a virtual meeting and we're all attending the event from either our office or home, I request you to please take a minute to look at your surroundings and identify if there are any potential hazards. Please also identify the nearest evacuation routes in case of an emergency at your place. Our most grateful welcome to the entire Caterpillar family and our esteemed customer Tata Steel, whose constant support and trust have brought us to this celebration. We also welcome our Gainwell family members who've been instrumental in making this dream come true. Gainwell, in its commitment to drive tangible business value, is collaborating closely with the entire ecosystem of stakeholders to create new opportunities for growth for all. Technology is the catalyst as we power India's engine of inclusive growth. Our journey has been an exciting one, as you know, and none of this would have been possible without the guidance and leadership of our Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Sunil Chaturvedi. I'd request our CMD to please take the virtual stage and share our inspirational journey with all.
Thank you, Akanksha. Good morning, Denise, and all the Caterpillar friends joining from the US. And good evening, everyone from the rest of the world. Once again, a very warm welcome and our most grateful thanks for your presence on this momentous occasion. If it were not for the pandemic, we would have all been together today at Pragati, our state-of-the-art facility at Asansol. And Asansol is in the eastern part of India. Thanks to all the technological advancements, we are still together here, although physically distanced, but joining from different parts of the world in real time. Many of you have joined in time zones which may not be the most convenient for you, so our heartfelt gratitude for your presence to celebrate yet another milestone in Gainwell's growth journey. The world is witnessing a great challenge and a never-before reset in our personal and professional lives. I'm very happy to see that as a team, we have cast off the shadows of this pandemic on our business and have regained our growth traction. As an organization, we have continued our unprecedented efforts to serve our customers through these challenging months, and I'm happy that the worst is behind us now. The last couple of months have reinforced our belief that to secure sustainable future growth, we should not only rebuild markets, but also seek ways to reshape them. Gainwell had ventured on the path of a breakout growth around 5 years back, when we undertook the massive task of transitioning from a legacy organization to a technology-driven company and to an organization that is future-ready. With the determination to reshape our future, we have made great strides in revamping and reorienting our strategy, our portfolio of products and services, our workforce, and our culture. In our bid to become a globally recognized, technology-driven, world-class solutions provider, we have turned a new chapter in 2018 when we successfully reinvented Gainwell as a manufacturer by becoming the global source for Highwall mining systems. We not only fulfilled our dream of establishing Gainwell as an organization providing end-to-end technology-driven solutions, but also fueled the Make in India initiative by indigenously manufacturing the first Highwall mining system in 2018 at our integrated facility at Unnati in Greater Noida in the northern part of the country. It goes without saying that this would not have been possible without unconditional support and guidance from everyone in Caterpillar. We had the good fortune of inaugurating the first machine in the presence of Ms. Denise Johnson, who is incidentally once again with us on this momentous occasion. We continue to make steady strides in our journey as a manufacturer and have successfully commissioned the second Gainwell Highwall miner. This time at Pragati, the flagship facility at Asansol in eastern part of India. The words Unnati as well as Pragati both stand for progress in Hindi, and they epitomize the coming together of people, intellect, processes and infrastructure as one integrated unit as we continue to support our customers with the tools to grow profitably and while driving the infrastructure progress in India. We are greatly thankful to Caterpillar and especially to Dennis for reposing their trust on Gainwell. And thank you very much, Dennis, for doing that. You have believed in our dreams and that has inspired us. Without your guidance and handholding, this journey would not have been possible and we could not have traveled this far. Our partnership of 75 years with Caterpillar has stood the test of times as we continue to collaborate together to support our mining and other customers to enhance their production and state-of-the-art Caterpillar with the state-of-the-art Caterpillar equipment and the best-in-class aftermarket support that Gainwell provides. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Mr. D.B. Sundaraman for the enduring partnership that we share with Tata Steel. Our relentless focus on product quality and innovation continues to earn the patronage of Tata Steel. And together, we endeavor to fulfill our commitment to strengthen and deepen our role in this country's nation building. We are extremely proud of this partnership with Tata Steel, which has now become more than 3 decades old. The driving force behind Gainwell's dreams of becoming a rapidly growing solutions provider is our employees. Those of my colleagues who are solely dedicated to the manufacturing business have truly written a new chapter in our inspiring story. This group of Gainwell members, they never fail to amaze me with their creativity, with their learnings and their foresight. Their unyielding passion and unfaltering commitment to provide the best solution and experiences to our customers have led them to make significant improvements in the second Highwall miner that is getting launched today. I'm incredibly proud as they raise the bar each time in their pursuit of excellence. I'm confident and we are raring to expand our manufactured product portfolio in our endeavor to serve our customers in this part of the world even better. Together, we have made important headway in shaping our present. We now have an extraordinary opportunity to reshape a better future for all of us. Not only for Gainwell, but also for the nation that we represent collectively. I'm confident that you will continue to remain by our side in our journey forward. Thank you once again for making this momentous occasion possible for us. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you so much for your kind words, sir. We're immensely proud of the fact that India is currently the only manufacturing base of the Highwall miner in the world. While the first Highwall miner in India was manufactured at our Northern Integrated Facility Unnati in Greater Noida, we began the indigenous manufacturing of the second Highwall mining system along with spare parts and services at Pragati, our state-of-the-art facility at Asansol under license from Caterpillar. The Pragati facility is equipped to test and rebuild all major components as well as machines of this equipment. It is designed to assemble components to factory standard, thereby meeting the world-class Caterpillar benchmark of safety, quality, and contamination control. This is the first instance where we've assembled a new machine, marking a new chapter in the history of Gainwell. Let us take a look at this world-class facility.
We are Gainwell, a proud partner of Caterpillar in India. Customer focus is the name of the game at Gainwell. Epitomizing this is the Highwall miner, a first-of-its-kind equipment manufactured in India under IP licensing of Caterpillar, catering specially to the mining sector. Going a step ahead, Gainwell is now manufacturing Highwall miners at its 5-acre state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Asansol, Eastern India's mining hub. With excellent connectivity to National Highway 2 and Durgapur Airport.
We have made a large investment in Asansol in the state of West Bengal to manufacture not only Highwall miner but a range of mining machinery.
This ISO 9001-14001 facility is replete with amenities like a 20,000 square foot assembly shop, 2 30 tons overhead cranes capable of housing 2 Highwall miners machine at a time, fabrication, washing and paint shops, and a unitized substation. The Highwall miner is built to last with unmatched features, complete in-house testing facility, IGBT-based PWM inverter control for all major drives, sophisticated protection system for electrical and electronics components, industrial Profinet-based I/O communication for faster response, Profibus communication technology for remote control of cutter module from base machine, user interface with touchscreen-based HMI and machine operation through PLC control, protection for critically processed performance data during surges or power failure, advanced instrument to detect hydraulic fluid and coolant leakage, online real-time condition monitoring of all major drives, safety stop mechanism based on methane sensing technology, attitude detection and course correction of cutter module in cold gallery based on fiber optic gyro compass, automated Wi-Fi monitoring for up to 100 feet, automatic features with comprehensive diagnostic capability and remote monitoring.
Not only does it display the capability that we have built in manufacturing, but it also displays how we have infused digital into everything that we do.
Easy assembling, disassembling and transporting between mine sites. A high-powered team of international and national experts for design, development, manufacturing and support raises the bar. Product customization services based on mine conditions and production requirements is an extra bonus. And some top-notch services enhance its viability. Steady supply of spare parts. Operator training. On-request service support. Maintenance contract. Operation contract. Complete life cycle support.
I would like to congratulate each and every member of Gainwell family, particularly the mining team.
And I believe that our Highwall miners and range of other mining solutions that we are planning to manufacture will help India in increasing the coal production by 250 to 300 million tons that India needs to do to become self-sufficient.
Gainwell's customer-first commitment is firmly ingrained in the Highwall miner. Today, the Highwall miner accelerates proudly into the future. A future signified by quality, trust, value, and the highest degree of customer delight.
The world around us is changing constantly, brimming with new ideas and technology. Together with Caterpillar, we've been harnessing our innovation potential while strengthening our contribution to the nation's core infrastructure needs. We welcome Mr. A.C. Manohar, District Manager, Caterpillar, to the virtual stage and request him to share his thoughts with our audience.
Thanks, Akansha. I know this is, we're kind of getting used to this virtual meeting, but I think we're getting good at it. So first of all, Mr. Sundaraman and the other members of the Tata Steel family, Sunil, Meena, and the Gainwell family, Denise Johnson, and my colleagues at Caterpillar. It is indeed a great pleasure, immense pleasure to be a part of this fantastic occasion. I would like to thank Tata Steel for the continued relationship with Gainwell and Caterpillar for the last few decades. If I remember, I think the first MARC contract ever in India was signed between Tata Steel and TIPL. Of course, now it's GCPL, Gainwell. Since then, the relationship has grown leaps and bounds. and we continue to engage with each other in terms of how we can work together in improving their operations, as well as at the same time improving Gainwell's capabilities. This is truly a collaborative relationship. I would like to ask Tata Steel management to continue to push us, Gainwell and Caterpillar, to provide the highest level of service and support and continue to build on this strong relationship. Tata Steel to award this contract to Gainwell speaks unprecedented endorsement of Gainwell's inherent capabilities, and also an acknowledgement to Gainwell's technology and support. I would like to congratulate Sunil and his team for having attained this highest level of relationship. As Sunil was mentioning in his speech, it was only in 2018 that the IP to manufacture Highwall was awarded to Gainwell. Sunil immediately pounced on the opportunity and put in all the investment required, both in terms of capability and people, and delivered the first unit in record time. I think it's about a year's time, and Dennis was the one who inaugurated that. The production was maintained to the highest quality, and you just recently saw the facility at Asansol, which is equally impressive, very impressive. So this new state-of-the-art facility also has all the stringent requirements from a Caterpillar standpoint in terms of manufacturing processes. I have no doubt in my mind on the highest quality of the product that will come out of the stable of Gainwell, and also Gainwell's expertise in running and maintaining these machines in the future. Again, Sunil, my sincere appreciation to you, Dipankar, and the entire Gainwell family for yet another milestone. Once again, my sincere thanks to the management of Tata Steel for the relationship, engagement, and with Gainwell and Caterpillar in the last few decades. And I look forward to this continued relationship in the future as well. All the very best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Manohar. At Gainwell, our growth strategies include harnessing the power of disruptive technology to drive innovation forward. For our mining business, digital transformation is emerging as a driver of sweeping change that is challenging the business models of the past. Our innovation focus has enabled us to stay relevant amid shifting stakeholder expectations and market dynamics, ensuring Gainwell's position as the total solutions provider. We are particularly proud of our journey, moving up the value chain from being a distributor and product support provider to a manufacturer of the Highwall mining system under license from Caterpillar. I request Mr. Jayant Bhattacharya, Head Manufacturing, Highwall Mining, to take us through the features of this smart machine. He's joining us today from Asansol, India.
I am Janto. I am heading manufacturing operations in Gainwell. I have been associated with Gainwell for last 10 years. Our manufacturing journey in Gainwell started with Highwall miner in the year 2018. We manufactured and commissioned our first Highwall mining system in February 2019. The machine has been performing very well. In last 2 years of our manufacturing journey, in one hand, we have built a very good infrastructure, and at the same time, we developed a very strong team. A state-of-the-art machine manufacturing facility has been built in Asansol, where we can assemble 2 machines at a time. We also commissioned machine test facility, where each and every component as well as complete machine will be tested with all operational and performance parameters. Current machine and all future machines would be rolled out after thorough testing and meeting test standards. At the same time, we built a strong team which demonstrated their passion and capabilities by quickly adapting the manufacturing know-how and build this current machine in this difficult, challenging environment. We worked closely with our customers, supply partners, and brought some significant improvements in this product within this short span of time. First of such is low seam cutter module. We designed and manufactured low seam cutter module with direct gear drive, which eliminated chain drives to reduce maintenance downtime and improved productivity. Discharge conveyor design has been modified with direct drive torque arm mounted gearbox as well as modified belly chain design to get rid of RSU option and dump coal with a single conveyor instead of two conveyors. This reduces number of gearboxes, motors and drive controls, thus increases the system efficiency. Number 3 in the list is automatic chain tensioning with BPM pump interlock, introduced in belly chain drive, which reduces drive shaft failure and also the maintenance requirement. Next is PWM inverter based control for all major drives for smooth operation, better speed and torque control to cater to variable load demand. Next significant improvement is cloud based remote monitoring system allow us to monitor real-time machine performance data and alert system. In addition, this feature will allow us to remotely operate, monitor and train operator and maintenance crew. Flow meter in hose reel to detect loss of hydraulic fluids. UPS system to protect PLC backup data in case of mine power failure. I am confident that Team Gainwell will carry the legacy of this excellent mining technological marvel for many more years to come.
Thank you, Jayantada. Today, we are honored with the august presence of Mr. D.B. Sundararamam, Vice President, Raw Material Tata Steel Limited, who is joining us from Jamshedpur, India. Our partnership with Tata Steel is over 3 decades long and has grown from strength to strength, with 85 Caterpillar machines being in operation at their coal and iron ore mines in the eastern parts of the country. With the supply of the first machine in 1985, the first maintenance and repair contract, MARC, was instituted at Quarry SEB in 2003 with 57 machines. 2017 saw the introduction of the cost cap with supervision at Quarry AB. We further strengthened our association with Tata Steel with supply of large tractors for their iron ore mines in 2019. We thank Tata Steel and especially Mr. D.B. Sundararamam for your business and continued patronage of Caterpillar machines. We request Mr. Ramam to kindly share a few words with us today.
understand, it's the model GHW M300. It's introduced technological improvements. GCPL has upgraded this model with the latest state-of-art S7 300 PLC modules, modified chain conveyors as shown in the video. And also all these are going to fulfill our customer needs: auto fire system, remote monitoring system, for fault code capturing. All these over a period of time, even our Directorate General of Mine Safety, time and again, they have come with many safety features, recommendations. I'm very happy to see that the machine which is going to be launched in our mines has got all these safety features. So that we have always seen Caterpillar and our partner Gainwell, that wherever there has been a requirement from safety requirement from DGMS, we have seen that those have already been anticipated and they have been incorporated in our machines. That's where the rollover protection and all, they have saved many lives, not only in our mines across India whenever there was an incident, but because of the robustness that has been created in the cabin as well as in the entire machine, it has really saved a lot of lives in whenever there was any accident. So with these improvements, I believe Caterpillar designated equipment and service support from GCPL, let us hope this partnership will gain new heights. I not only have a hope, I have firm belief and faith that this relationship, which has been continuing for last more than 35 years, will continue to have this relationship cherished for years to come. And we will also see more and more improvements in your machines, which the customer is going to get benefited. I'm very happy to have the presence of Ms. Dennis on this occasion. Thank you very much, Ms. Dennis and Mr. Chaturvedi. And also we are privileged to be part of this new Highwall miner, which is going to be inaugurated and also is going to be launched in our mines. So thank you very much for giving an opportunity to share my thoughts. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir, for educating us further on our collaborative history and for reposing your trust in Gainwell time and again. As you know, for the last 75 years, our focus has been building the foundation of our nation together with Caterpillar for our next century of progress. Our dynamic relationship with Caterpillar is marked by mutual trust, performance, and commitment to serve our customers, paving the way for our shared success in the country. A key partner in our journey towards progress has been Ms. Denise Johnson, Group President, Resource Industries Caterpillar, who is joining us today all the way from Chicago, Illinois. Thank you for joining us today, Denise. May I request you to please do the honors and inaugurate the second Gainwell Highwall miner.
Second Gainwell Highwall miner, and I want to congratulate everyone on a very strong accomplishment.
We are indeed privileged. Sorry. We're indeed privileged to have you amongst us for our celebration, Denise at Gainwell, despite your incredibly busy schedule. May I request you to kindly share your thoughts with the keenly awaiting audience, please?
Special event today. And a special thank you to our valuable customer, Tata Steel. Mr. Rahman, I appreciate your kind comments, and I appreciate the attendance of you and your team for the deployment of this machine, especially as we're doing all of this work virtually. This is an amazing event, and I'm so happy we were able to connect, even though it is virtually. I really was impressed with the powerful visualization, the music, the lights, the photography of the second Highwall miner. It's almost as being their lives, so really appreciate that. And I especially appreciated the visualization of the team who have actually made this machine come to life, because at the end of the day, it is about the people on our teams that make all of this a reality. Tata Steel is a very important customer of Caterpillar, and we thank you for your continued business. Tata Steel is recognized globally, and you're playing such an important role in bringing the resources that are required to the people of India, but not only India, the rest of the world. I also want to thank the entire Gainwell team, and on behalf of Caterpillar and the Caterpillar leadership team, congratulations on the second Highwall miner. I happened to have the opportunity to see the first Highwall miner in person, and I'm excited to tell everyone that I was there to inaugurate the second, even though it is a virtual inauguration. In some ways, I think I'll remember the second one even more because of the impact that the world has had with COVID. I will never forget this opportunity. One of the things I also want to highlight and recognize and that I saw during my visit to India, and certainly the Gainwell shop over the past few years, is really how you're putting the dream to reality. The team's focus on quality, on safety, as well as on delivering a state-of-the-art technology that's included with the machine to make the Highwall miner truly world-class, goes recognized by Caterpillar and the rest of the world. It is really something that you should be proud of, and especially as you've engaged with your teams to develop and grow and serve the marketplace with even more dynamic products, and especially integrating technology. It makes it a state-of-the-art facility and a state-of-the-art machine for the future. The pride and the passion of the Gainwell team is really impressive. It's truly inspiring, and I hope to be invited to many more inaugurations in the future. So congratulations to the Gainwell team. Thank you again, Tata, for your partnership. And thank you again for inviting Caterpillar to be a part of this momentous event.
Thank you, Denise, for your incredibly gracious words. As we leave the roadmap behind and chart out a new course into the future, we must recognize the hands and minds behind this engineering marvel. I'm talking about the dedicated members of the Gainwell family who've played the most active role in giving shape to our dreams of transformation. It is the result of continuous effort put in by the valued employees of the Highwall mining team that has led to the assembly of the machine in record time. Their strength, commitment, and dedication makes them invaluable to Gainwell. Today, we'll speak to 4 such members who've made all of this possible. Let's hear from Sanjay Mitra, who plays a critical role in electrical design department.
Hello, I am Sanjay Mitra. I am very proud to be part of the Gainwell Highwall miner manufacturing team. I was associated with ABB and Sandvik Mining Systems before I joined Gainwell to be part of the Highwall miner team. Here I am responsible for engineering, design and development of the electrical automation and instrumentation system of the Highwall miner. Gainwell Highwall Miner GHWM 300M is a successor of Caterpillar Highwall Miner HW300, which is an engineering marvel on its own. Our focus here has been to work closely with our customers, understand their needs, and to adapt the Highwall Miner system, keeping in mind safety, productivity, protection and monitoring to be the primary features. We are confident and we are continuously working to upgrade the Gainwell Highwall Miner GHWM 300M with every opportunity that we get.
Thank you, Sanjay. We'll now be speaking to Falguni Chanda. We're immensely proud of Falguni, who has voluntarily chosen the shop floor as our area of work. Over to you, Falguni.
Hello, myself Falguni Chanda. I am a proud team member of Gainwell Highwall Miner manufacturing team and leading the shop floor assembly team. Myself and my team members undertook a responsibility to complete the assembly and testing of Highwall Miner machines as well as cutter module. We have taken almost 5 months to complete the assembly process and testing process of this machine. We are well supported by our other team members from design, procurement, supply chain, logistics, warehouse and quality department. We have completed this assembly process of this machine by following all the process guidelines, process manuals, SOPs and maintained all safety standards. I am confident that this machine will perform its level best and also fulfill all the expectations from our esteemed customer. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Falguni. Stuart Myers, with his extensive experience of working with Highwall mining systems, had greatly enriched the team with his technical know-how and expertise. Let us hear from him about his experience of working on Gainwell Highwall mining system.
Greetings, my name is Stuart Myers. I have been involved with the Highwall miner system for the past 23 years, and I have provided technical support to Gainwell since 2018. I am pleased and convinced that Gainwell has taken on this product for the Indian and international markets and will successfully manufacture and support it now and into the future. Gainwell has assembled a dedicated and talented team of individuals who take great pride in their processes and procedures. They are devoted to providing outstanding product and customer support. I am quickly approaching the end of my professional career. It is very rewarding to know that this product will continue to extract valuable resources for Gainwell's customers. It is in the hands of a team who is dedicated to manufacture to high standards and to improve the product as conditions and/or customers require. I look forward to hearing of future success stories from Gainwell.
Thank you, Stuart. Lastly, we are joined by Paul Mooley, all the way from Australia. Paul has been with us since the beginning of our manufacturing journey, guiding and helping us to deliver on our customer promises. Let's hear from Paul.
The Highwall business has been a great addition to the Gainwell family. I'm believing there's a lot more to come. This project started with a licensing agreement that Caterpillar allowed Gainwell to manufacture and sell the Highwall product both into India and a select few other countries around the world. When we started the project in 2017, the intent was to revive a product that had seen its main market in the US collapse, but a product that still had a lot of potential going forward. We needed to, among other things, build and train a team, switch the supply base from the US and Europe to India, set up our internal systems to enable the manufacturing of the product, build a plant in which to assemble the product, market the product to our Indian and international customers, identify quality suppliers in India particularly, and purchase tooling for the assembly and commissioning. And all at the same time as trying to sell the first machine into India. The first machine was sold in February 2018 and delivered 10 months later. It was fully commissioned and operational at the beginning of February
Thank you, Paul. We've arrived at the last leg of the event, celebrating this very important Gainwell milestone. May I request Mr. Dipankar Banerjee, Chief Operating Officer, Mining, to present the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Akanksha. Good morning and good evening to all of you, and thank you for sparing your time for this event. It has always been an endeavor of Gainwell to offer total solutions and increase our value add to our customers. With this objective in mind, we had embarked on our journey of manufacturing of Highwall mining systems, and today we have just completed assembly of our second Highwall miner. Our time-tested relationship of over 75 years with Caterpillar has enabled us to bring greater depth and innovation in our offering, leverage emerging global technologies, and build comprehensive portfolio of products and services to our esteemed customers. Coal remains the mainstay for India's energy security, and this Gainwell Highwall miner will support the coal production in niche application areas. Our celebrations today wouldn't have been possible without the support, help, and guidance from Caterpillar. We thank Dennis and the entire Caterpillar team for your confidence and trust on Gainwell. Dennis has been particularly very supportive to India market, and we are truly honored and grateful for your gracious presence today. Thank you, EC, our valued friend, for your support as always. Our partnership with Tata Steel goes well beyond the iron, and we have been fortunate today to share this momentous occasion with Mr. Sundaramam and other senior officials of Tata Steel. Thank you for your continued trust and patronage on Caterpillar and Gainwell, and you are confident that this highly productive Gainwell Highwall miner will usher a new era at your coal mine. I extend my sincere appreciation and good wishes to each and every member of our Highwall mining team who have put in exemplary effort and dedication during these trying times and completed the machine assembly. Each one of you is a critical asset of Gainwell. I also want to thank the core team, Swarmishta, Akanksha, Rupsi, Rajiv, Vidisa, Joyanto, and Elizabeth from Caterpillar, who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to make this virtual event a reality. This is for the first time we are doing a machine inauguration program online live. Last but not the least, thank you, Akanksha, for your ever so wonderful presentation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dipankar sir. On behalf of Gainwell, I thank everyone for being a part of our celebrations today. I hope you'll continue to match strides with us as we progress on our journey towards excellence. Thank you everyone once again. We hope to see you soon to celebrate more milestones together. Stay safe and have a great day.
Thank you, Akanksha, and thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you, everyone.